Hello.
Hello. Uh,
Very good afternoon, Smriti ji.
Good afternoon.
How are you
How are
doing?
you? I'm doing great. How about you?
I am doing absolutely fine, and I must say you are looking so pretty, so beautiful today.
Oh, thanks a lot. But
I'm loving your attire.
thank you so much.
Okay, so is there
uh,
anything special today?
uh, uh, Actually, I was making my videos.
Okay,
That's why.
great. Super,
That's
super. Good to know
why.
that you are putting so much effort not only in the quality but as well as the aesthetic value of your videos too.
Thank you.
Great, great, Smriti ji.
Yes.
So, how is the journey going on? After a long time, we are meeting in this session.
Yes, actually, our app was getting modified and updated, so
Yes.
that's why.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
great, great. So, Smriti ji, how well you are going on this path of improving your communication skills? What all things you are trying to learn right now?
I want to learn more new vocabs or expression
Okay,
because my environment it's completely Hindi. I so that's why I want to
okay,
learn more expression
okay,
of
great,
English.
great.
Yes.
Good to know that. So, have you gone through today's study notes or materials? Do you
Yes,
know what is
I
the
have
topic
gone
of
through.
today's session?
Yeah, I
Okay,
have
good.
gone
So it would be
through.
good to express or good to hear your
Mhm.
views on the topic.
My view is this: these days, new generation really want to live in overseas, and in actually they want to enjoy the amenities of their developed countries, so that's why they want to go there, and
Right.
they want to enjoy their life and want to enjoy their
Explore the
education,
opportunities with it.
explore. That's why they want to go there.
Okay. What about you, Smriti ji? Have you ever thought of settling outside India?
Never.
Why?
I'm completely happy with my environment and our country. But I really like Dubai because it's just like a developed India. So I like that country very much.
Okay. Okay. So in future, if you get a chance to settle there, what would will be your choice?
No, I really don't want to go anywhere because if we go somewhere, we can't vote there. We can't be a part of their countries. All the rule,
Yeah,
what we
rules.
should say,
Yeah, you can
hmm,
say the rules, the system is quite
system.
different.
Yes, yeah. So that's why sometimes we feel like we are aloof. We are alone, so that's why here whatever is our everything is in our country we can enjoy, so
Right,
that's why.
right. So
uh,
you started about like you started talking about Dubai in a way that it is far more developed than India, right, Smriti ji? So
no, no.
yeah, yeah. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I don't love Dubai. I love more India,
Yeah,
but
that is fine, but it's a developed, let's say, version
yes,
of India, isn't it?
yes.
Yeah. So
I want my India also just become
yes,
and develop like that, so that's why I told.
recently, have you heard the news about Dubai, the floods and the
Yes,
people,
yes. I have seen
situation
lots of
with graves?
videos also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, do you think that this unprecedented situation has arisen due to maybe uncontrollable developments which is happening around? And obviously, nature is something which, if you are going to disturb that, if you're going to disturb the ecosystem, it will have its own repercussions. It will have its own results. So, what do you think? Is the development has a role to play in such situation?
Yeah, I completely agree with you. I think they didn't make any proper drainage system.
Yeah, they
That's
didn't do.
why this.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's why, and they were not thinking actually that
yeah.
in our country also this, this much heavy uh,
Rainfall
rainfall
will
can
happen. Yeah,
happen.
yeah.
Yeah, That's why they are not planned. But now I think they definitely going to plan in for future.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. So, as you said that you love our country, you love India so much that even
Mm.
if like you can go to somewhere, some place for some days, but you will never think of settling somewhere.
Yes, I
So, what is the thing for you as a person, as an individual, that separates India from the rest of the world?
I think here parents care about their kids very much. And in my opinion, I don't say that in abroad they are not taking care of their kids, but in our country, for parent, kids are always kids. They may be of 50 or 60. That time also parents all the time just think about them and worries, and they are anxious about them. And in abroad, I think they after 18 they just tell their kids you have to earn, and you have to
Move
make
out,
your life move out.
move out from the
So
family.
yeah, this separates. And our culture also very rich, so
Okay.
that's why our kids also, our new generation also think 100 times if they want to do something wrong. So they think about society or about their parents, that we have to do this or not. And they also indulge in all the bad habits, but not like for overseas or abroad.
Right. So
It's my
parental
opinion.
guidance is, I mean, a must thing for
Yes,
or let's say for a kid or maybe for a younger version of students as well.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Fine. So, but like abroad, if you talk about the freedom, the talk about the technological advancement, if you talk about the opportunities, those are like it's far in a better state, or maybe you can say it's like quite in a developed state as we compare to India's. So, don't you think that if a person is getting a handsome salary and getting better livelihood, or maybe better opportunities as in overall terms, so he or she should consider settling there?
That's why all young generation wants to go there, and want to live there and enjoy all these amenities.
Right.
And yeah.
Right, definitely. And according to you, like if you got some chance, or maybe let's not talk about the chance, because when we talk about chance, then you have a choice. So let's say you have no option left, Smriti ji, but you have to settle. You have to consider one country that should be your second home. So which country should that be, or which city should that be, if you leave India?
I think Dubai is best because it's so near to our country, and we can very easily go there. And
Okay.
we can, whenever we want, we can just visit our country so
Okay, so
easy.
distance is one thing which will help you to opt for Dubai. Any
Yes.
other parameters which will help you, or which will actually give you the way to go to that country and not any other country?
Pardon?
So distance is one factor, Smriti ji.
Yeah, distance and culture. There, the rulers and the government is very. Their mind is quite broader.
Okay.
Yeah, they are making temples also, and they are encouraging all the religions, not
Mhm.
only about their own religion. So
Okay.
that's also a reason.
Okay, so we can say now the system or the governing people and the
Hmm.
distance. These are the two factors which will act as a catalyst for you to shift to Dubai.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, great.
Hmm.
Uh, if you have to talk about, or maybe if you have someone in your friends or relative circle who has already settled outside or maybe abroad, so we call them as NRI, right?
Yes.
Right. So, uh, according to you, like if you have talked to them, if you have ever got this chance to have a good conversation with them, what is it these NRIs miss about India, according to you?
They miss the warmth of our country, and the food
Yeah,
especially. uh, so they also become the part of their culture, and all they make food sometimes only one time in a day, or sometimes they just eat frozen food. So
right,
whenever they visit us, so they feel the warmth of our kitchen or our families. So
right.
they always miss that.
And also, Smriti, can you also explain like what are the hardships which a person has to undergo if he or she is leaving his or her comfort zone, his area or his native world?
Yeah, I think here we can find help. We can and there we have to do all the work by ourselves,
Yeah,
and it's very difficult to do all the things, because in from our childhood we are not doing this kind of hard work, and that time we feel really very awkward, or we feel very suffocated.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. I
Hmm.
think you have outlined these 2 points very beautifully, and I think this because of that hardship itself, a lot of people are discouraged to move to such places, despite
Ye-
having very good opportunities, despite
yes.
having good amenities and good salary.
Yeah, you
Okay.
are right. Yeah.
So, for example, you have already talked about it, why you don't want to live India. So, according to you, why lots of people never wish to live India? Like, even if they have to undergo something, undergo bad circumstances, or maybe a bad situation in their life living in this country, but still they want to continue living in India. So, according to you, what is the reason and who are those people?
Generally, I think new generation don't feel like this,
Okay,
that they want to mm, explore their life. But old generation, they have their limits, and they sometimes they don't know their language. So this is also, and their circle also here, so they want to live here only.
right, right.
They don't want to go there, and their food habits. So as per my personally speaking, I think,
Yeah,
as
yeah.
per my knowledge, I
Yeah.
think these must be the
I think
reasons.
I remember like when I generally ask my grandmother to visit me, like I live in Kolkata. So whenever I ask her to
Mhm.
visit me, she'll say, I'll get bored. I'll obviously ask, "Yeah, you should come here, you should stay here for 1 month. We will explore some places. I'll take you to this, I'll take you to that." And she'll
Mhm.
say, after 5 days, 6 days, what will I do? I don't have
Mhm.
anyone to talk to.
Mhm.
You'll be busy in
Yes.
your office. Nobody will
Mhm.
be at home. What should I do? So I think the
Mhm.
older generations or the people who were like the people who are at our grandmother or grandfather's age, uh,
Mhm.
they are someone very happy with their own circle, and they want people to get gel up, right? Because at that age you don't have lots of things to do.
Yeah, completely agree. Yes, they really they can't express their feeling, because they don't know English, and
Right.
that's why I'm also want to learn
Yeah.
English, because we don't know if our kids uh, want to
Right.
plan to go abroad. So
Definitely.
that time it will be very difficult.
And this is the demand of the hour, so obviously we have no other choice to but to understand this and excel in this part as well, so that whenever the time comes, whenever we get the chance, at least we should not be lacking in any of the aspects which is absolutely necessary for each and every individual.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay. And obviously, you have outlined that because of the freedom or because of the opportunities, which is available outside, people are considering settling abroad. So, but do you think that because of lack of opportunities also in India, they are shifting there?
Yeah,
Because of not proper remuneration they are getting here, they are shifting there?
yeah, that this is also a very big reason. They find very good remuneration there, and they can expense a lot there. Sometimes they feel
Spend a lot. Yeah, they can
sometimes.
spend a lot.
Yes, yes. uh, and they find different kind of culture there,
Right,
and all the roads and all their buildings, everything just attract them. They want very good infrastructure, so
but
they
there's a
want to.
dark side also, Smriti ji. There's a dark side to this as well. You would have definitely heard about the movie Donkey.
Yeah, no, I don't.
Okay,
I
okay.
don't
So
watch
let me
it.
tell you,
Yeah.
that's a very local name, or that's a very, I mean, a
Hmm.
native name for people who want to go to abroad but illegally. So this
Oh.
generally happens in the places like Punjab and Amritsar, when
Hmm.
people are very much, let's say, migrating to the other countries, so to have a better job opportunities, to have a better livelihood, so that they can send good amount of money to their home, to their parents in India. So
Hmm.
what do you think about that? How safe is that?
Yeah, it's not at all safe, and sometimes like what happened in the Ukraine, we all
Yeah,
have seen. Yeah, and in Canada also, all the people from Punjab wants to go there,
right,
and they really uh, uh, live like donkeys there.
right.
There, yeah.
So,
So
according to you, what can be the steps which our government can take, or we can take as an individual level as well, so that we can prevent such kind of scenario?
government have to take a good step towards uh, to provide employment for a younger generation, and provide a very skill based good education for everyone, so they no need to always to find a job. They can excel in some business, in some good art or anything, so that they can create their own job, and they can earn for themselves. And we have to make a good infrastructure in our country, so nobody want to leave our country. uh,
Okay, okay,
in my opinion, nobody wants to leave their place. And
right,
if we are talking about overseas, we can just take an example of if we live in a small city or village, so everybody love their places, their native places, they don't want to leave them. But just because of a compulsion of job and everything, they are migrating. And that's why our villages and small cities are they migrate from there, and they are making a very load big load on big cities. And
yes, they are
that's
putting
why they are
pressure on
putting, yeah.
urban areas.
Yes, so that we can talk about this problem also. This is also same problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Smriti ji, I think there is a lot of pressure on government as well. I
Hmm.
mean, they have limited areas, they have limited funds, they have limited treasure as well, and the population is burgeoning at like in a very fast pace, at a very fast pace.
Hmm.
So that is also a challenge for them.
Yeah, completely agree. Yeah, population is bursting like
Yeah.
I don't, yeah.
Yeah. So, according to you, what should be the proactive steps taken by the citizens of India plus the government of India?
For what?
For
For
I mean, for to address such kind of situations, like if the population is burgeoning, obviously the
Mhm.
opportunities are fixed, right? So how can we control the population too?
these days younger generation controlling by themselves. They don't want to have babies. They don't want to get married. After some time, I because both girls and boys
Rather
educating
than cheating.
and
Yeah.
finding a good job, so they don't want to be um,
Mm-hmm.
in this situation, and they don't want to stuck in the family. If
Mm-hmm.
you ask with if you discuss any young kids, they really don't want to get married, or if they married also, so they don't want to have babies. So after some time, I think this problem will be solved in our country.
Yeah, but I think the kind of people which we are talking right now, they constitute very few percentage of the whole population, Smriti ji. Don't you think so? I mean, the
Yeah.
working population where everybody is busy. Obviously, people around us are going on the same path, but still, right now, 60% of the population is I'm not very sure of the facts, but when I read the newspaper and all, so still a major portion of our population reside in rural areas, and
Yes.
because of proper job opportunities and because of lack of education, they have to migrate to other places where manpower is required, like
Mhm.
you mentioned the country's name like Dubai. So there you see that cheap labor is available from India, so let's take them to Dubai and
Mhm.
make their work.
Mhm.
Right, so this is, I think, a very big issue which needs to work on the micro level.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay. So,
Mhm.
Smriti ji, we are towards the end of this session and we will talk about the feedbacks and the
Mhm.
observations of this session. Are
Yeah.
you open to the feedback?
Yeah. Yeah. I really want to get married.
Sure, sure.
Mhm.
Smriti ji, I believe that there are certain mistakes from the grammatical perspective. Okay, basically two things. When you quote some kind of verb, so it becomes a bit confusing. And second, mistakes which are coming from the topic of preposition, like you are good at doing something, right? We never say I am good in English. You'll always say I'm good at communication. I'm good at maths, something like that. So there are certain very common uses of prepositions where we lack. So I actually want you to work first on tenses. You know the structure, if
Mhm.
you know the way to get expressed or to express everything what you want to do. So this is something which will come in the picture. Obviously, preposition and the topics will play a very important role.
Mhm.
And second thing, what happens is we have the knowledge, but when
Yeah.
we speak, some words will fit into there, some words will fit from there, so it comes as a mess. Okay. So what you can do is, obviously you have the recording of this session too.
Mhm.
You can replay that. Maybe after this class, whenever you are getting time, just record yourself on phone as well,
Okay.
so that later you can hear yourself out, because I know you have knowledge, you understand that, you realize that, oh, this is the mistake I have done.
Mhm.
So when you listen to your recording, you will self analyze that, okay, I am making mistakes in saying this verb. It was get, but I said got.
God. Yeah.
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 So
Good.
I want you to just work on this thing for, let's say, 10 or 15 days. If
Mhm.
you record yourself for 10 minutes each day, so
Mhm.
after 15 days, you'll be able to understand that what pattern of mistakes I am making again and again.
Sure.
This
Sure.
will help you to minimize that.
Definitely, I will do this. Uh,
Yes.
yeah.
You have any question, please go ahead.
I don't have any questions, but
Okay.
these I know these types. Of, I am doing these types of
Yes.
mistakes, and
Yes.
the reason behind this, because all day we talk in
Yeah,
Hindi,
yeah. The
and
most part of the day, you are having this kind of, we don't have that exposure of speaking English, right?
yes,
So from where the improvement will come.
yes,
So that's why we have to, I mean, give ourselves an artificial environment
yeah,
like this. I mean, here at least we can have a person to conversate, right? So
yes, completely.
similarly, you can have like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, like after 4 hours or 5 hours with your phone. Just record yourself. You are a YouTuber. You can
Mhm.
use that video as a content for YouTube as well.
Yes,
So
Yes,
with
sure,
one
sure.
thing you can
Hmm.
kill two birds.
Yeah,
So you can
definitely.
definitely
I will.
do that.
Thank you. It's really very a good idea. I
Okay,
will
then.
do this.
Sure, sure. Looking forward to.
Yeah.
Bye bye, Smriti ji. Then take care.
Bye. Thank you so much. Have a
Well,
great day.
same to you. Bye bye.